Yo, what up? Oh, what up? What up?
Order rejected.
I hit the button. I guess it's not going to put me in. I don't want to hit it again.
Order rejected.
Oh, I'm in the wrong account. What up, Jay Styles? Jay Fisk is in the house. What's going on? Dude, wild lunchtime. Just kind of grind it up. You got demolished? What up, Pole? What up, CT? Don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch, Jay Styles. What a day. Yeah. Took a punch. What up, Waldo? Yo, it's easy to take a punch in these markets. Super easy. I mean, it's 100 points. 100 points with ease. I expected a terrible day today. I mean, we were down a bunch. It made it all back. What up, Lord? Yeah, I mean, we made a lot of it back. It all depends on how it closes today. Like, if we close here or higher, that's a pretty solid close. But like if it sells off and you close it like down here, that's no bueno. Yeah. Oh, last week sometime. I'm trying to think when. I definitely blew it though. Locked in a payout today though. Almost $1,000. Actually, I locked in almost 2 payouts. Did anybody hear what they're gonna do about this whole trade evade delayed situation? Anybody hear what they're doing about it, or I don't think I got an email about it. It's I'm looking to see if I didn't get anything from Apex about it being delayed or anything. Anybody notice anything? I didn't. Yo, what up, Sean? I didn't get any emails about trade evade being delayed. And what if they do anything at all? Oh, price action's crazy. This is a 150 joint. What up, Double O? Come on, push it, baby. Push it. What's up, Trading Star? Boom, boom, boom. I'm staying in. I'm not leaving. Let's stay in and see what happens. We're going to break this. Okay, I blew all 4 of my Apex. Oh! What? How did... Dude. That sucks, man. You're right there. You're right there. $30 from a payout? Yo, what up, Horizon? $30 from a payout? All 4? Were you copy trading all 4 of them? Was it a copy trade situation? Oh. Paul, what type of account? What type of account, Paul? I'm guessing that's a Bull Knox, right? What up, Nasdaq? Yo, so basically, I didn't know this, but Tradeovate was delayed by 2 minutes to TradingView, which means you knew what was happening. Yeah, I mean, if you know what's happening, you could make $15,000. I mean, let's be real, right? If you were like, yo, man, this is what's going to happen in 2 minutes, it's pretty easy to make money. I did not know about it. I made money just trading the charts. I wish I knew about it, but I don't know if they're going to reset. No, Apex is just going to reset it and say none of those gains counted. That's what they're going to do, is they're going to say, hey, none of those gains counted in your PA account. And if you made it in a combine, maybe they keep it in a combine. Yo, if I was Patrick, I'm just going to be straight. If I was Patrick, I probably don't stream and say I'll be back in a little bit. I make a ton of money in my fucking funded accounts and just keep it to myself. Make like, $200,000 in a day. Don't tell anybody about it. And then be like, sorry, guys, I'm streaming now. What's up? I'm up a bunch. I don't know if they're going to keep the profits. Oh. I'll tell you what, unless Apex decides to do a deal, though, Take Profit Trader and My Funded Futures is going to start taking their customers. Yo, Scotsman, is this the TradingView? Yes. Yep. I don't know what they're going to do. I mean, I earned my money. So I hope, what up, Dell? I hope they don't take my money. I earned it. Also, I earned a lot last night. Like, all of this was made last night. So the only thing I did today was I locked in this payout right here. I locked in this payout. And then other than that, there's no other PA accounts. These are all evals, and the rest were all evals. They burned you for 18 G's? Who burned you for 18 G's, PG? How'd you get burned for 18 G's? Oh, I wonder what's going to happen, though, because I'll tell you what. I can't see Apex allowing everybody to keep it. Oh, 18. Oh, Apex? Why? You had a payout and they denied it? I almost missed my chance. They couldn't load TradingView charts. I got in late on my gold sell. Yo, would they deny your payouts? No pay on strategy? What was the strategy? Like, what were you doing that they didn't pay you on? I love the community. Dude, Dell, it's the best. I find all the people that we have that come in are just super cool. I like everybody that comes on. Man, I can't get this 150 going. I'm trading super small. Yeah, how were you trading though? Were you like bracket trading? Were you trading news? What were you doing? What was the strategy that they didn't like? I had to make the video that one time. I had to do that. So basically, I guess Tradeovate was delayed today and people were trading off of it. TradingView was up to date. TradingVate was behind and people were playing the delay. So you were making money because you knew what was happening by looking at what TradingView was showing you. What up, Vexus? What up? What up? Selling outside, buying inside. Made 700 on a funded today. That would really suck. Yeah, well, same thing, man. I locked in a payout in Apex, and I don't want them to take that away. I didn't fucking know. What up, Jules? I mean, listen, if you normally make $300 in an account and today you made $15,000, it's obviously you fucking knew. But if you normally make $300 and you made $300 today, then that's right in line. That's not a big deal. You know, I think they should take into account kind of that. Like, you know, if somebody smashed them for 40 grand, they're going to look to see when that was done. You know? I think it all depends on how out of the ordinary your gains are going to be. That's how I would do it if I was them. You know, they canceled you out. That's crazy. Were you buying 15 minis with no stop loss on Top Step? By the way, I'll be back on Top Step TV tomorrow if you guys want to come and chill. $12:15. So I'm going to stream in the morning and then head over there. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, man. I got this frappe. Yo, I'm cooking some chili tonight. Yo, I got chili going. I'm making my first shredded chicken chili. Shredded chicken chili. Yo, I didn't even set the thing up yet. I got to set it up, but I didn't yet. Thinking about taking this short. Duck forever. I've never had. Yo, what up, John? I've never had shredded chicken chili, man. It's going to be my first one. I usually do beef or ground chicken or sometimes even ground turkey. So this is my first time I'm doing it with the chicken. And I threw, I never do this either. I put some, I do sweet potatoes, little cubes of sweet potatoes in there, or I did butternut squash. I forget what I put in there. Nah, not barbecue. Nah, chicken is you shred it. So you cook it in the slow cooker and then I'll shred it at the end. It's all in the slow cooker. Yo, hopefully I get these 2 payouts today. Some soup. Some crack chicken. What's crack chicken? So I got no time. I'm trading all day and then I gotta go bring my kid if it clears up for baseball. I gotta go coach baseball today. I love chili, man. Shredded chicken tortilla soup. Dude, that sounds good. I make all my meals. Basically, I bring up the websites of all the meals I want to make through the week. I order the food. That was nice. I order the food and then I make it. So I got 4 meals already planned out for the week. So I'm all set. Don't have Kofu. He has a personal chef downstairs making him surf and turf. Dude, if I had enough money, I would hire a personal chef. It's funny because I always talk to my wife. Like I'm not doing it, but I'll be like, yo, if I had enough money, I would do that. She's like, I would do a housekeeper. I'm like, why would you do a housekeeper? Like, the house is clean. Like, I want people to fucking cook for me. Like, I want good ass meals where I'm like, yo, hook me up with this today. And I know at the end of the day, I'm getting like, skirt steak fucking tacos and shit like that. Like, I just got arrested for attempted genocide. Wait, what? What? Yo, the chat just went that way. Smoked a goonicide? Oh, jeez. Trying to reduce my amount of windows I got open. Smoked a brisket? Yo, how'd that come out, Code? Every time I do it, it comes out dry. Yeah, I traded around opening bell, John. I'll trade all day, all night. I try not to trade at night because I'll be honest with you. I have come to realize that Asia is for suckers, for me personally. I get suckered during Asia. So I'm done trading Asia. I went through my notes. I lose more money on Asia than any other time, so I'm over it. I'm not trading Asia at all. Dude, the open was crazy. Yo, Christopher, do you have any good resources for setting up Rhythmic and Apex? Sure, man. What are you trying to do? I'm used to doing Top Step on my Mac, and now I have Rhythmic. So you bought a Rhythmic account, and you're trying to use it on your Mac, right? Yo, that's racist. Bro, it's the market has so many false moves on it. Post market is stagnant too. A lot of chop. Yeah, I don't like post market. I don't like Asia. Only New York. I looked at all my stats and I just realized I make more money just during New York. I don't need to do the rest. Okay, so you have Rhythmic Trader Pro on your Windows. Yeah, if you want to set up on your Mac, it's a real pain in the ass. You got to set up like some parallels. I don't have a Mac, but it's something like that. You got to download parallels, or I'm trying to think. I don't think Quant Tower works. Quant Tower or Ninja doesn't work for Mac, right? Oh, if you can use your Dell, just use Ninja Trader. Download Ninja Trader and use that. Yeah, Ninja Trader works great. You're having trouble configuring the connection? Sure, with Ninja Trader or with Rhythmic Trader Pro. So here's my Ninja Trader. You go to go to connections and you configure. And you just go to you go to Ninja Trader, this one. And then you set it up over here. Username, password, and then once you do, hit apply and it should work. And if it doesn't work, sign in with oh, guys, hold on one second. Oh, you're in? Okay. If that doesn't work, just do and then you sign into Rhythmic Pro if that doesn't work. Yeah, I use Replicanto. Yep. Trading Star, Replicanto all day. Yo, what up, George? What up? What up? Yo, I saw your copy trade vid over the weekend. Do you know if you're able to trade from Tradeovate and have it copied multiple providers on Ninja Trader using Replicanto? George, that is exactly what I do every day, George. So basically you go in, I'll show you right here on my screen. So here you could set it up and you could do like, so I'm only connected to Apex right now, but you basically set it up here. So say I set up, one like this, you set it all up. And then all you do is you go over to Tradeovate and go to that account and trade in it, and it'll transfer over to all the other ones. Yeah. 100%, George. That's the best feature. That's literally the best thing. Yeah. Once I found out that works, it was like a game changer for me. Yeah. But by the way, well, welcome to the stream, George. I guess you're new. So it's cool for you to come by, Stay, hang out, got questions, I'll help you out. Feel free to talk whatever you want in the chat. It's open. Everyone's pretty cool around here. Yeah, I'm about to do it in a little bit with like 8 accounts. Oh, you know what? I thought I seen Kevin in the Kevin sounded familiar. Not George, but Kevin. Yeah. Do you know how many people come through? I try to remember everybody. I truly try to remember everybody. But if I showed you all the people that come through, it's crazy how many people roll through. Like, so many people come through. I'm looking at all the people that have come through. There's a lot. I try to remember. I'll remember you next time, I promise. And if it doesn't work for you, let me know. I thought you trade one account at a time and trade. So I'll do sometimes. It depends on what's going on for the day. So if nothing's going on, like I'm not going to do that on a day like today when we're just moving around like an animal. It all depends. It all depends. A lot of times I will do that. Yeah, so this is what happened, George. My computer, I'm having trouble saving the, what do you call it? I'm having trouble saving my windows on here. So sometimes when they get erased, I forget to add the stuff back. UT bots is one of those things that I've been meaning to add back. I restarted my computer about a week ago. What up, Cam? So I had a crazy strategy. That mixed this UT bots with the algo flow. So I'll just show you real quick. This is actually a pretty cool strategy. So I did this and I did so basically when this is green, you basically you're buy, but you sell on the UT bots and then you rebuy on the UT bots. So you're basically only playing to the upside. And then when we flip red, you're only playing to the downside. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. You follow the trend. Design now. A few of my evals got absolutely reamed today with 0 lube. Yeah, as long as the fundeds are green. But yeah, so like here, you would have been short and then you're out. And now you would have re-added the short up here. And now you follow. It's actually a pretty good strategy. You are going to take losses or break evens. But when you catch the trend, it goes. I wanted to get back into doing this, to be honest with you. When I had to restart my computer, it got rid of the tab. Payout locked in today, boys. Actually, I got 2 payouts locked in today. I'm going to request, like $1,500 after the market closes. Dude, this is some serious chop here. Oh, man. Yo, it is. It's a 20-point. It's a 200-point chop zone. I'm with you, but it's not going anywhere. That's more or less what I should say is we're not trending anywhere. How's that? Come on, are they going to let it go? You should try Trader Oracle's volume imbalancer indicator on Tradeovate. Download is free. You see the price almost. Dude, I'll take a look. George, here, let me see. Volume imbalance indicator? Let's see. Indicators. Explore community. Let's see. Yo, caught 16 points and he's done. Why can I not? Is this it? This is the one? Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Yo, there we go. Yo, we just hit real quick, boys. Yeah, I know who he is. Volume imbalance. So you tell me what I'm supposed to be looking at here. So basically, when it returns back to this line is the time. So we return back to 631. I basically short it. Is that what you're telling me? Like the first time it comes back? Is that the word on the street? Anytime it returns back, so it returns back to 632, you short. So something like that, if they fill me. Yo, Brad Distler, what up? The 1 minute candle, it works. Okay. Listen, man. I'm like my wife. I try everything at least once, sometimes twice. Except those levels will change drastically on a different time frame. Okay. No problem. Yo, dude, I'll play. I'm here. I'm here to see. I like to see how other people trade. I like it. Dude, I would never down you for using an indicator. You know, I would down you for following Danny trades, but I would not down you for using an indicator. You know, even if I don't like it. Hey, if it works for you, it works for you. But it's cool. I'll let it ride on here and see what happens. Knob, you here? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, baby. We're going to bounce off the 200? Come on, give daddy a little bounce. Come on. Come on. Oh, you had it. We had it. We had it, Joe. What up, Josh? Doesn't hardly work for ES, by the way. Yo, I find a lot of things that work for NQ don't work for ES, by the way. That's why when people are like, yo, why don't you trade the ES? Because it doesn't fucking work for me. Have you perhaps tried taking free longs? Never tried free longs in ES. I am now connected to Yo, Christopher, it worked? Nice. MES liquidity sucks balls. If I get filled, I'll lose it. Yo, I find when I trade, yeah. Yeah, man. Hey, that's what it's about, right? That's why I made the channel, is to help everybody out. So I'm glad you were able to do it. If anybody has any questions ever about anything, feel free to put it in the chat. I'm here to help out. Don't feel weird. Yo, George, you're not. You. There's a couple guys on here that do Instacart and the Walmart. Yo, later, man. Yo, Amir's in the house. What up, Amir? It's one of those days, man. One of those days. We cooking. I'm gonna test. Should I test this out? We're gonna move up. Yo, price action is nutty. Someone better Instacart me some food. Maybe Ray can deliver me some food. Yo, what up, 205? What up, what up? Oh, there's the short. Yeah. Dude, it bounced right to that fucking line and then dumped it. This looks ugly, by the way. This looks like we're going to come all the way down here. Of course, I got stopped out. Yo, that was a nice call out, right? Yo, CT, I mean, I'm just saying, man, there's been some real good fucking ideas that came out of this room. I don't know why I got stopped out. I tried moving my shit up. I think if it drops, it's gonna drop. Risk reward is just there. Like if I get stopped out, I get stopped out, but this thing can drop 100 points. Holy shit. Bro, what the fuck was that? Yo, we just got tweeted. That's what that was. Dude, somebody just said something. I mean, we got taken out by a 140-point candle. only on a day, like, nah, that's not an algo. That's something. First test is the best. It's always the best. Even with all this shit. First test is always the best. Remember, you don't mind being second, but you always want to be first. You know what I'm saying? The first retest is always the best. The second one can become a little sloppy. You know? Look at that. Dude, that's a crazy, not much. Oh, so here's the line. So it's got to come all the way back down to 35. Here. Let's see what happens. I bought at the 200 and I'll buy right above that line. You had a sell limit trade through and not fill. That's because the price action is going crazy right now. I'll take the $170. Let's see if it actually comes down on the line. Come on, I'm being patient. All right, I'm in. Let's see. You know what I like about this entry is it sweeps below the 200. If we can get back up, you probably stopped out anybody that got. I'm going to take my money because it's $200. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yo, high five to Brad. Was that you that told me about it? Who brought in the volatility, the volume indicator just now? Who was that? Was that you, Brad? Who brought that in? Who just told us about the volume imbalancer on Tradeovate? Yeah, who was it though? CT, who was it? Was it PG? Oh, somebody did it. They don't want to talk. They don't want to take credit. Brad, was that you? George? Yo, I think it was George. Yo, it is George. Yo, smash the confetti for George, by the way. Let's give George the clap also. Yeah. Dude, that's a good scalp. Oh, you mentioned VWAP? VWAP? The VWAP? Yeah, I'm probably going to end up using the Dude, I kind of like that for a scalp. The closest thing I do like that is percent delta on footprint candles. Yo, I brought up footprint candles. I'm out on that. I thought I'd like it, and I'm out on it. So the trend is not your friend? KFA, how much is the 50K account going for on Take Profit? It's 119 and there's no activation fees. Zero activation fees. I'll be honest with you right now, it's literally the best deal. That are my funded futures. But it's 30% off. Zero activation fee. Because right now, Apex is not running a deal. They're 50% off. And then my funded futures is about the same, but there's no consistency rule with Take Profit Trader. And then there's there's no activation fee, so you don't have to pay, that $130. The daily, also you can get daily payouts. Like last month, I took 9 straight days of payouts with Take Profit Trader. And the only reason I didn't take 10 was they didn't send me my money, so I couldn't trade on day 10. But the daily payouts were freaking awesome. Yo, you could just use Cove Trader for Tradeify. That's my. Who does faster activation? I don't. Take Profit Trader activates my accounts in 30 seconds. Do you have a code for Traderify Cove? I think they are 40% off first time. I haven't tried them yet, but it seems solid. Yo, Trader Y, just use Cove Trader. It's Cove Trader for literally Cove Trader for literally everything. Every single firm that's out there is Cove Trader if you want to. Yeah, man, I appreciate the support. All that goes to free accounts every day. Yeah, PG, like if I go buy another account with Take Profit Trader, I have it loaded up in 30 seconds. Like if I go get one right now in 30 seconds, I'll have it over here. Oh yeah, a cash got it. Yo, all good, man. Take it to a payout. Take it to a payout. But that's what it's about, man. It goes back to you guys, a lot of it, you know. Those hopefully your duck Yo, I promised you your duck would show up today. I promise you. I haven't turned the thing on yet, but I'm going to do it in a little bit. Oh, you mean from eval to funded activation? They're both the next day. PG, literally, they're both the next day. Like, Take Profit Trader finishes, and then you get activated the next day, and then same with My Funded Futures. So if you take daily payouts with Take Profit Trader, do you have to have a buffer? Yes. Yo, chaos. So this is how it works. Once you're funded and you go over 52,000, say you go to 52,300, you can withdraw the $300 with the profit split, and the next day you just keep doing the same thing. And then for argument's sake, say you want to shut the account off, you can withdraw half of the buffer. So they'll give you $1,000 and they'll close the account. But yeah, you basically have a buffer and you keep building it up, and you basically just keep taking everything over 52,000 you can take out every day. They just do the profit split 80-20. And then once you go Pro Plus, it's 90-10. But there's no consistency rule, though, Chaos. So say, argument's sake, today you caught this move and you made $5,000. You take that money out same day. Like, you don't have to trade 8 days to take that money out. So you can make a massive payout with Take Profit Trader, and they don't care. There's no, the only rule they have is you can't trade 1 minute before or after like a major news release. Traderify does not work like that. Traderify has payout windows. They have consistency. I think the consistency rule is 35%. Take Profit Trader is the best one out of all of them. They have no rules. Just keep in mind, it will be intraday instead of end of day. Well, it stops. So once you're at the buffer, there is no intraday or end of day. Your account just can't go below $50,000. So it doesn't actually matter at all. There is no end of day or trading drawdown. Once you're over the buffer, you just can't go below 50,000. So you can build it up, lose money, whatever it is. You just can't go under $50,000. Yo, what up, Jose? Yeah, I mean, listen, I trade with Apex because obviously they're less expensive, and I'll just build them up slowly. Like, here's my Apex for the day. You know, like I have a payout today with this account. You know, I'll trade, you know, obviously I trade a lot of accounts, but if I had to say one guy was the best, it would probably Take Profit Trader. Especially that Apex has no deal right now. Like, their accounts are expensive right now. So I wouldn't do that. Plus, you got to pay $125 activation fee, while Take Profit Trader is no activation fee. So I loaded up that volume and bounce indicator. It seems like the 1040 tick chart really aligns well with it. Shoot, I'm not switching the ticks, but I hope it works for you, Knob. I hope it works for you. I can't go to the tick charts, to be completely honest. I know some people love them. Yo, what up, Christopher? Tradeovate is easier than Rhythmic? Yeah, well, this is Tradeovate. I find it to be easier, unless you like using. So if you use Tradeovate with Apex, you can load it up on NinjaTrader and trade on Ninja. You know, only issue is the fact that you only get one account. Yeah, I'm out on trade day personally. The rules are similar to Take Profit Trader, but you can only have one account. I'm not Take Profit Trader. You could have 5. Oh man, this name's gonna kill me. Lucinda. Welcome to the stream, Lucinda. Welcome. I just had an interest in Rhythmic, so I started with that one off, but I need to try Tradeovate. I'm using Top Step X. Yeah, I have Top Step X. Actually, I'm going to be on Top Step tomorrow on their Top Step TV. What's up, Rayu? I'm trying to pass some accounts here. It feels like we're going to trend all the way down to the VWAP. Just all the way down to 7,301. 12:15 tomorrow. About to rip up the spot at 12:15. How many accounts do I have in Top Step? I have this one where I just locked in my third payout with this account. I got this one over today, this one over today. That's halfway, and that's halfway. So I have 3 XFAs starting tomorrow. This is my third pay. Like, this is a prime example how you guys should trade, to be honest with you. Like, it's just base hits every day. Obviously, this day is a big one and this one's a big one. But other than that, it's all base hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 payout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's a payout. And then I have 1, 3, 4. No way. Did I fucked up the dates? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I did. Holy shit. Am I not? I did not lock in a payout here. Dude, I did not lock it in. Oh, geez, that sucks. Dude, that sucks. That's awful. So I'm like, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Dude, I think I'm only on day 4. Oh. Dude, that sucks. That sucks. That's awful. Oh, you 200 plus per day to be considered a winning day. Yes. Yeah. Just go into my dashboard and look. Yeah. I've already taken 2 payouts in that one account. That sucks. 0949. See, what's weird is it says I have 12 winning days. I wonder if I can I don't know. I'm going to look at this after hours. What up, Rod? What up? Yo, what up, Bobby? Keith's in the house. Lucinda, is your top step the 50K? Yeah, I do 50Ks. I be honest with you, I was not trading Top Step until I was invited on Top Step TV. Then I started trading them again. The guys there are pretty cool. I figured, why not? So because it hasn't started yet, Keith. Hasn't started yet. The word is they want me to open it up for 3 minutes at a random time and only leave it open for 3 minutes. Kind of like we did on the morning stream. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Yo, Jim Blab. Just cleaned out your paper account? Well, at least it's a paper account, right? Yeah, see, like this Top Step account. So I have a pretty good win rate. I have 77% win rate in that account. All right. I'm going to look at that after. Oh, or a paper route. He's going to need a paper route. Dude, the VWAP, that's how quick it is, Brad. That's how fast. Yeah, Garen, I got him into trading. Yeah. I've been trading since 2007. I met him in 2009, and I got him to finally start trading during like COVID. Yeah. 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 Jay, yeah. Yep. You know, listen. You know. Yeah, I got him into trading though. Yo, you just got to build back better, Dell. Do you hedge with your demo account? You're all girthed up? What the fuck? What? What's all girthed up? Dude, oil prices are down, interest rates are down, and the slow-moving Fed should cut rates. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know about that. We'll see. Dude, these guys are freaking crazy. Yo, I can't believe Trump's talking about the tariffs. Like, what are you talking about, bro? I don't understand though the freaking tariff thing. Like, why would you come out on a day that we're bouncing and be like, "Yo, we're gonna do another 50% tariffs on China"? Dude, let the thing bounce a little bit. China's market was just down 13%. We're bouncing. At one point, we were up like 3% We were all the way up here, and then he's got to turn around. Yeah, we're gonna duck. We're duck racing, McDaddy. I gotta set it up. So hold on. So China's market is down 13%. We're bouncing. You think he would be like, yo, let's us bounce a little bit more, let China suffer, and then talk some shit. But he's got to say something midday. I mean, geez. Hold on 1 second. Dude, I had to open the door for my kids. You guys asked for this trust the process. He wants them in the cave. Yeah. He wants the recession. I'll be honest with you. I'm fine with the recession, but you gotta let it bounce. Let it bounce a little bit. Let us play. Like, you can't just go straight down. This dude's just dropping it like it's hot. Oh, this is just gonna roll. Trust the process. All right, I'm out on that. Look how small that looks. It's $280 right there. $280. Super small. Trump isn't a fan of cowgirl, I see. How's the weather up there? Dude, it's freaking rainy all day. It was raining all day, and I think the rain stopped now, and it's just cloudy. Yeah, it's just cloudy. This isn't how you want the end of the day, though. You don't want the day to just roll over. You want to close up here. What up, Bartolo? What up? What up? Yo, Uncle Joe is in the house. Yo, what up, Uncle Joe? Yo, trading start. Yeah, let it bounce, man. Yo, let us bounce to like, I don't know, 19,000, 19,300, and then you could drop it. But you can't just go down, 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 down. Like, you got to let it breathe. Got to let it breathe a little bit, you know? Yo, Bartolo came in sneaky, 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 sneaky. Yo, what up, Cash? Oh, my shoulder, man. Yo, trying to freaking make that money, man. Got to be super selective and wide stops. Wide ass stops. Boom, 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 boom. I'm about to show Sean what The Rock is cooking. Whoa. Dude, remember that in the 90s, man? That was freaking amazing. 90s, early 2000s, The Rock and Stone Cold. That was amazing. That was great freaking entertainment. Oh. That was my nickname back in college. Wide ass stops. Stone Cold was the dude. He was. Hit Sean with this. Are we gonna follow this 9 and just roll over? What up, Brad? Yeah. I'm gonna try it again short here. By the way, just to let you guys know, I just signed up for. I got rid of my AMP account, and I just signed up for a NinjaTrader account today, and I'm sending money there. So I'm going to start trading live money as well. I didn't really like AMP, to be honest with you. Every time I turned around, they were raising margins on me, like margin, not margin calls, but like you can't be in a sizable position because you need to have more money in the account, and NinjaTrader doesn't do it. So I'm switching to NinjaTrader, and I also thought commissions were a little bit higher. So that's why I haven't been trading my AMP account because you got to let the money kind of settle before you can pull it out. So I didn't trade it for like a week, let it settle. I pulled the money out today, and I'm going to send money to NinjaTrader. What's up, Noel? Yeah, AMP raised margins, and yeah, the Lord is here. What up, Waldo? Yeah. So I'm over it. So I am going to start trading. What up, John? Yo, fuck these brokey prop firms. I think there's a place for both. Personally, I think there's a place for prop firms where a new person can learn without putting their hard, like they can learn for $50 instead of putting $2,000 in and just getting smoked. I think there's a place for both. Nah, Ninja's always been a broker. Ninja's been a broker for a while. What up, Piano? What up, Milton? Marco's here. Nathan's up in here. Yeah, I don't know. It's just one of those things. So I am what's going on, Yan? So I'm going to swing, kind of not swing trade, but yeah, I might swing it and hold it for a couple days. But I'm just waiting. The account got approved today, and I just got to I got to send them some money. Enchanted, you're in the office? What's up? What's up, Nurse? Vicious. I think fees are cheaper on Ninja, and also they require you less. They don't raise margins. They're not raising the margins on the account. Garen has it whole. I would have lost 25K today if it weren't for prop firm evals. Instead, I lost about 75. That's why you learn on prop firms. Rocket ship incoming. A red rocket ship. Hard day, man. Hey, Bob, you can always turn it around or just start tomorrow. I have a Ninja Trader account and I keep losing my money. LOL, when I am copy trading it. Yeah. Garen, I don't take the same trades in my real money as I do in the prop firm accounts. What up, Kevin? Yo, Victor, I sent you the money and whatnot. TradeStation has low commissions. Yeah. I don't use TradeStation, to be honest. That TradeStation has been around for ages. I've never used it in 15 plus years. Yo, just walk it off. Just walk it off, man. Just walk it off. What up, George? Yeah, I got you, man. I just want to let you know that I sent it. Yeah, props are great to learn on. I think they're amazing to learn on. And even after you learn, like, why not trade multiple accounts? Yo, what up, Wayne? None of these prop firms here are end of day trailing. Are you talking about in evals or funded? Because once you're funded and you get past the buffer, the drawdown ends. It doesn't keep going up. What's up, Carl? Dude, I'm doing pretty good. I'm up. I thought I locked in a payout today. Apparently, I don't. Maybe I didn't. I got to look into this. Yo, Wayne, so once you, like, if you have take profit trader or whatever, like, once you get to the buffer, the drawdown stops at 50,000. It never goes higher than 50,000. So it becomes a static account at that point. Dude, John, that's solid, John. That's real good. Just not everybody's ready to do that, though, or don't have 6,000 to do it with. What's up, Luca? Oh, Emil, massive waves. Markets all over the place. Yo, we got Lenny in the house today. What's going on, Lenny? Let's see if it comes back. Let's see if it comes back. I will put my I need to buy John's course. Yo, Oliver's in the house. What up, Oliver? Yeah, I mean, that's what makes props interesting is you can learn for a little bit of money. And once you get profitable, you know, that's what it is. You know, that's what it is. Dude, if people just put $6,000 in, a lot of them would just blow it in real quick. Sam, you decide not to trade. That's a win. That's a trade, though. Sam, not trading is a trade. If it isn't the props on a 1099 contract for taxes, you can write off your monthly fees. You can definitely write off your fees. Been watching with fear. Yeah, Wayne. I don't have a course to sell you. I don't have, our Discord is free. The Discord is free. There's no course. I don't have anything to sell you. I have zero to sell you. I am I just, we're hanging out and just chilling out, and here's the Discord if you want to join. It's free. I'm not teaching you, I'm not charging you a mentorship or some shit like that. There's no mentorship. What up, Dan? You know, this is all just bringing people together that like to be together, make money, get payouts. And, you know, Zoki, what's going on, Zoki? I think the first time on the stream, Zoki. We need a mentorship. Y'all start one of those mentorship programs. Charge you for the free comedy show. Trading's boring on your own. That's kind of why I did this, Wayne. I post great videos that I backtest a lot of things on. So if you want to see like a mentorship, you should go watch some of the videos I got. This is not a good entry at all, by the way. One thing I highly respect about you, you here for the people. I appreciate it, Corey. And I help you out. Like if you have questions about other shit, like I'll help no matter what. Well, Zoki, hang out, and hopefully you enjoy the stream and maybe learn something, maybe like hanging out with people, and stick around. What's going on, Jesse? John, that's why I tell everybody there's so much free good information on YouTube that you don't need to pay for a course. You just have to know what you're looking for. And realize that the guy that you're looking at is not trying to sell you a course after that. Like, you know, that's what you got to look for too. Yo, I appreciate it, Code. Why did I just take that trade? Well, first of all, that's not a funded account. I was trying to get in at the 9. See this purple line? I was wondering if they were going to grind the 9 up. That's why I kept my I tried to buy at the 9. I just think that with the movement today, it's very hard to buy on a trend moving out. See, like this is the 9, how we follow it when you're trending or when we're trending down. See how it respects the 9? I took a shot thinking that we were going to respect the 9 and work ourselves up. I have my order in right here for that backfill of the volume imbalance. So let's see if we come down and hit that right here. My order's right. Yeah, the 9 EMA. Yep. So wait, buying Danny Trades. Dude, Danny Trades was wearing a fucking cowboy hat with lights off in like a room that was like 2 feet by 2 feet. His chair was up against the wall, and it looked like he just got done doing meth. Mentorship videos are on OnlyFans, not YouTube. All day, baby. All right. So I'm following this thing that, was it George? Dude, I'm up $600. I'm out on that shit. Whole baby. Dude, that was a banger. Yo, did you guys play that? Dude, that was right off of it. Dude, I owe that guy George. Yo, there's 72 on the live stream. Yo, we get to 100. Just remember, 100 people on the live stream, something real good will happen. Surprise. Dude, Sean, he was getting smoked too. He kept going short and it kept going up. So somebody asked, I think it was Wayne. I took this trade. See this indicator? I'm kind of forward testing this indicator, and that's why I took that trade. It's a volume and balance indicator. Bro, super clown. I only need 3 trades. CT, you missed it by 1 point? Dude, that was a banger. Remember, you only do the first one. You don't want sloppy seconds. You know what I'm saying? See what happens the second time? Went right through it. You think Danny was trading from El Salvador? Bro, it looked that way. It looked like he was on dial-up. Yo, what up, Bay Trading? What up? Dude, such a clown. Such a clown. Oh, B Trading. Okay. All right. Appreciate you telling me so I don't call you the wrong name the whole time. Yeah. Because that would happen. I called somebody dude for about a month and I found out they were a girl like last week. Furu, Maria. Somebody that was faking gains, telling people that he was using a live account when it was a demo account. Nothing good is over there. Oh, dude. Yo, you ain't kidding, CT. Thanks for the heads up. Oh, baby. Oh, dude, I'm setting up two CT. Set up 15-minute orb, and he has EMA. Yo, I like the 15-minute orb, John. I play that all the time. Yeah, Brad, you're talking about this right here. I'm guessing this one. Bro, it's looking hot. It's looking hot like every day. I'm setting it up on my end. We getting ready to roll right now. Might be a dud, bro. It can't be a dud. There's no way it's going to be a dud. If anything, it's a massive one. It's going to be a massive one. I'm setting it up right now. I'm trying to look for accounts that I want to do it in. $374. $374. I'm just looking to see what I'm going to set up in. Oh, 3. $9.15 in Top Step is $9.15 and 86. I think I'm set actually. I think I'm set. I'm set up, boys. I'm probably going to only do dude, reverse site. It must reverse Lux Algo Orb and targets. Yo, I have it, John. I have it on one of my let me see where I have it. Oh, I had it on this one. Look. Orb and targets right here. I have it. I mean, it's the orb, but obviously with targets. It's the orb, but with targets. Any other day, we'd think something was fat finger and trades. Dude, it's crazy today. Yo! Cohen's Holding. What up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Oh, somebody subscribe. Cohen's. Yo, thanks for the subscription, man. Way to subscribe. Yo, Chill FX. Yo, boner candle incoming. Yes. Yes, it is. Who's letting it rip here? Who is letting it rip? I'm only doing 2, by the way. I'm only doing 2 minis today. It's too crazy. I got to do 2 minis. 2 minis. Who's setting it up? Who's got the sack for today? Down? I don't know. Oh, boy. Here we go, boys. Here we go. You're going to get a boner and a half candle here. Yeah, who the fuck just got that? Because I did. I could tell you that. Yo, who in the chat just took that shit? Who in the chat just got that? Boom! Psh. Yo, LeBron style, baby. Wow! Boys, boys, boys. What up, Road to Success? What up, Andy? John, what happened? News? There's news? Dude. Winner, yo, if you know, you know. Yo, we just got freaking paid. Dude, something fucking happened. Yo, you don't even want to know what just happened. It didn't close out in Top Step for some reason. And I just made a bag. I made 700 in each Top Step account. So I obviously, I'll just show you. I did it in these 3 accounts. These accounts. That was money. Basically, I didn't. This is a funded account, by the way. I did $200 in the funded account, and then $700 in all these other ones. Dude, and then I did it in here too. In 74. Watch 74. What am I making it in there? $740 in this eval. Dude, we cranked that. We cranked that thing. It didn't close one account I was copying. Yeah, mine didn't either. I just had to manually close Top Step. Yo, what up, Momo? I always take profit at close of the first candle. Oh, Jim Blab, I'm going 5 points, man. I'm out. I'm out. I got my money in left. You got banned from all Top Step? Why? How'd you get banned from Top Step? They love talking. Did I make more money with the manual close? So what was weird was Top Step got filled as a buy. I was long in Top Step, and the other ones I got short in. So it was super weird. Something weird happened. I don't know why. I'm not exactly sure what happened. Shooting for 20 points or 20 ticks? I shoot for 20 ticks, which is 5 points. You're shooting for 20 points. That's fucking pretty big. That's pretty big. I hope we push up, though. I want the markets to close strong. Like, I want to see a bounce in general with the markets. You know, I don't want to see us keep going down. For how much these candles are moving, we're basically even on the day. How crazy is that? They might rip this end of day. Just completely rip it. This might rip. Let's see. Let's see if they're going to rip it like 100 points, 200 points, something stupid. This is not where this is. Don't trade this. This is, I'm guessing right here. This is a pure guess. How many contracts are you trading if you're only going 5 points? Usually 3 minis. 3 minis, 5 points is $300. Yo, if you spam every channel with the same screenshot, they will ban you. What'd you get banned from Discord? Yes, prelim. Yeah. I thought they were going to rip this here. Yeah. We smashed it. It's going to hit your stop just below, then it'll bounce. I know. It's exactly what fucking happened. That's why I moved this one lower. I just assumed that they were going to rip it end of day. That was my guess. Like, I'm out. I thought it was going to be one of those days where they rip it, 100, 200 points. Yes, prelim. Yep. I did a test prelim. I took an account that was eval. I passed it, and now it's funded, and now the funded account is working itself up. So we're making money with it. Sorry, man. Just saw a comment. Nah, dude, it's all good, man. Listen, I'm never one to be like, no, you don't know what you're talking about. Like, I know. Believe me, I want the input. I was literally looking for like a strong buy into close where they're going to bring this up to like 800. And I might get in here. You know, I'm looking for something specific, though. I'm looking for a massive move here, like a massive move, not 50 points. Like I'm looking for over 100 points. I want to see that buying into close. Yes, prelim with Tradeovate. I'm using Replicanto on NinjaTrader, and I trade with Tradeovate. Come on. I want to see. Heavy buying at the end of the day. That's what I was hoping for right here. Heavy buying into close. I just don't. It doesn't seem to be happening. Just being honest. If I get cooked, I get cooked. It's an eval. I'm okay if I lose. It is what it is. You know, if you do it on NinjaTrader, it may not work because NinjaTrader has like slippage. So I would definitely recommend setting up the copy trader on NinjaTrader, but then moving over to Tradeovate and doing it if you're going to do it. That's the way that I would do it. Come on, baby. Come on. Smash it. Smash it up while saying tariffs. Come on. Damn, I was just up $400. Come on. Come on. I want to. Oh, market's closed. Market's closed. I'm going to take this money, guys. $900. I'm out. It was like $1,000. I'm out though. The reason I'm out is it's 4 o'clock. The market's done. You know, so I don't want to. You know, we might still go up, but I'm good with my profits. I don't like trading. I don't really like trading after. You know, it's not really my thing. So, AB trades in the house. What's up, man? Hey, man, money. I made back pretty much what I lost, plus a little bit extra. So, I'm good. I think I lost. That's 500. I think I lost like 850, and then I made it 1,000. So I made like 150 on that. Where's Homie Trader? What's up, Marie? Yo, what was it? Oh, here it is. Here it is. There's the pop I was talking about. There you go. I really wanted to see it though, like come all the way up to here. Like I wanted to see a massive run, which I guess that's a 100-point run from where I got in. It doesn't seem that big. Remember, like a week ago, 100 points was like from here all the way up to here. Now 100 points is just this little bit. Times have changed. I will say, guys, we crushed it today, though. Here's my accounts that are not on Tradeovate. All up. These are all up pretty much. These are mostly up. Past 1, 2, 3 accounts. Wealth charts? Dude, I can't trade with wealth charts, man. Have you ever loaded wealth charts up? Wealth charts is brutal. Hey man, I want all you guys to win just like that or win more than me. I want to see everybody winning in here. That's what it's about. I want to see you guys getting payouts. At the end of the day, that's what it's about. Honestly, that's why I love like hearing like Marie that's in here. Like Marie, I don't want to say she was almost done, but she was definitely having trouble. And now she's like profitable almost every day. Like that's what I want to hear about is people just making a couple tweaks and now getting payouts. She's making so much money. She went into work this morning and slapped her boss with a garden glove and left. That was it. She was out. She said, "Watch your mouth." Slap. Nah, you can win like that, Scotsman. Everybody in here can win like that. Believe me, I was trading stock and options for a while, but when I started futures, I was not profitable. It didn't really carry over. You know? Yeah, Marie. I know Marie's at work being like, what the fuck am I doing here? I just banked. I banked a week's salary in freaking 15 minutes. What am I doing here? Yeah, Josh, trade small, don't overtrade. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. That's what it is. Yeah. Switch from minis to micros. Bro. Oh. Del, is that what you're going to do in the Discord? I get into one mini on NQ and my cheeks are squeaking. I'm profitable. I'll be honest with you. Marie went from minis to micros and everything changed. Dude, this is what I was talking about. This big run up end of day. This is exactly what I was looking for. It just happened 5 minutes later than I wanted it to. Yeah. That's it, because it gives you the room to let the move play out. You know, you can let the move play out. I just find it's better for a lot of reasons going to micros. Micros is legit. You can make a lot. In this market, you have to play micros. I mean, if you're not playing micros in this market, you got to have like a 150 or most likely a 250 account. What up, Alex? Oh, yeah, we smashed today, Alex. I smashed everywhere. Yeah. Man, I wish I held that. I would have. It's up 115 points since I got out. Every trade on Bullnox was inverse. Wait, what? So like when you buy, it was selling you? Is that what you're telling me? Streamlabs, do we have a time for when the race will be? I have a meeting coming up. Hey, Mac Daddy, there's only one time the race goes off. That's at 420, baby. 420 every day. The reason I do 420 is people still trade. I sometimes even still trade now. And then 420, we pretty much, the market's done moving around, and then we could focus on that. This is like the time that if you have questions about prop firms, about indicators, about anything, now is the time you should ask. Because I could show you on my screen like how you connect the how you connect the copy trader, like all the different questions. Now is a great time to ask because I could set it up now and show you on my screen. If you have questions about prop firms, that document has a lot of answers for you. Tell the people in the meeting to go pound sand. Yep, was long, but the DOM was inverse. Jeez. In Discord, no. I just went in there to... Dude, that had to be earlier. I don't see him saying anything in the last couple hours. What's the free copy trader on Ninja? Oh, Simple Copy Trader. I got a whole video on it on my channel, but it's called Simple Copy Trader. It's not recommended. So here, it's not recommended if you have a lot of accounts. Indicators, you got to get it. It's free. But this, and then you just put in, you hit apply, and then you just trade from your main account. It's you got to download it though. It's not on here. You got to search Simple Copy Trader, Ninja Trader, and it'll come up. Yeah, he does order flow. Yeah, dude, he's legit. Like, he knows his stuff. He's definitely a huge positive in the Discord. Definitely a huge positive in the Discord. Yeah,
the market is closed.
Simple Copy Trader, Ninja Trade. So Ninja Trader has their own ecosystem. I don't even think you know about it. But here it is. I'll just put it in the live stream. I would not copy trade, but that Ninja Trader ecosystem has a lot of indicators and whatnot that are not on the Ninja Trader that you got to like load up. Yeah. But they got some cool stuff. There's a lot of indicators, a lot of Ninja Trader has a ton of stuff. Ninja Trader will trade for you. You can set up automated trading in Ninja Trader through strategies. Just an FYI. I don't even know if people know that. Like, you could set it up for Ninja Trader to make trades for you. J.M. Hardy, you're the YouTube on Ninja Trader copiers. Why I'm here. Well, first of all, welcome to the stream. I hope you're enjoying yourself. I'm going to use it for Bullnox accounts. You say it's good for five copy accounts. 5 is testing the limits. I wouldn't use it for more than 3. I've switched to Replicanto because I trade more accounts. I have since went to Replicanto. Wildflower. Trump decimated hold on one second. I got to scroll up for this one. Trump decimated Magna's anus and then went golfing. Left them holding their ankles. Possibly. But I'll be honest with you. If you have money and you're waiting for this dip for a while, you got the dip. Created a nice buying opportunity. What's the RT on Ninja Trader for ES Cove? If you know, I know AMP is close to $4. Oh, the round trip. Oh, geez. I'll look for you. I don't know off the top of my head, but hold on. It is less. Let me just go to NinjaTrader. Hold on. Hold on. I'll show you. Yo, Wildflower said gate. Oh, gate. Jesus, dude. Graphic over there. Some of the indicators are old as fuck. They are. I have a strategy that can split cats back. Yo, Wildfire. Yo. Trump bought NVIDIA at $83. All right, you ready? I'm finding it right now. Where is the fees? All right, so here's the fees. You ready? So basically, if you don't pay anything, it's 35 cents a micro and 129 standard. So a round trip would be $2 and call it 60 cents, right? Versus $4. So round trip is, if you pay a monthly fee, your round trip is $2 instead of, so you're saving 30 cents and then if you pay a lifetime, your fee is only, you'd save about 70 cents each. So $1.40, actually 1,000 trades. If you did 1,000 trades, lifetime would pay for itself. So 1,000 trades is like 5 trades a day. Yo, who's random guy in this freaking chat? Who's random guy in freaking YouTube that just posted that in the Discord? The only one Trump is decimating are the snowflakes who are being raw dog by the dude. Sean's off the chain. Yeah, so you'll save $1, almost $1.50 every round trip. Yo, Code, that's you, bro. I can't even show that on the stream. Mav, baby. What up, Desmond? 5 more minutes and we're going to run this thing. If you want to hang out with us when we're not streaming and we're all just hanging in the Discord, that's the link. It's free. So if you trade a ton, you're better off lifetime. Yeah, if you have $1,500. Just being honest. I'll be honest with you, though. Like, I'm using it not to day trade. I'm kind of using it to swing. So I'm only really looking to take like 1 or 2 trades a day. So it would take me like 2 years to get that money back. Yo, have as much fun as you want, man. That's what the Discord's about. I don't boot anybody out that's having fun. If you come in and be a dick, that's another story. But if you're having fun, man, gifts are welcome. Funny shit's welcome. Yeah. I like laughing. Without a doubt. Do you know the rules on Apex? Got funded, but I think I need the effing safety net for Maria. Once you earn 2,600, you could take $500 out. So once you're at 52,600. All right, so here I'll show you real quick in my account. So I just got over it today, right? I'm over 5,200, 600. My drawdown does not move anymore. My drawdown basically stays at $50,100. So now my drawdown is static. It doesn't go up. It doesn't go down. It's not end of day. It's not trailing. It just stays at 50. I can't go under 50,100 bucks. Other than that, you trade it 8 days. If you're over 52,600 in 8 days, you could take money out. You could take minimum 500, maximum 2,000. After I think it's 5 payouts, you could take out whatever you want. Is there a link for countries they accept on their site now for NinjaTrader, TraderY, or Apex? Hey, Maria, that's what this is about. You come on, you ask questions, and I help you out. That's what it's about. What country are you in? What TraderY? You're in Canada? I am looking for you. Joe Durrell. Oh, it wasn't a system. It was an indicator. It was an indicator. It's this indicator. It's called volume and balance. Oh, Ali's in Canada and he uses it. Dude, this says, oh. Yo, you have to be, Ali, you're in Ontario though, right? Here's your answer right here, by the way. Canadian residents living in the province of Ontario are able to open an account with NinjaTrader. If you reside in Ontario, click here. If you're outside of Ontario, I don't think you can. You could, all right, well, here's the whole thing. Here's the whole thing. I'm going to run the ducks. I was just helping somebody out. Hold on. What up, Luke? Hold on. I'm just trying to help somebody out real quick. Oh, it's too much. It's too many characters. All right. Well, if you're in Ontario and it works for you, you're good. You're good in Ontario. All right. Let me light this thing up. For anybody that's new here, in case you didn't know, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon. And then we stream again 2 p.m. until 4:30. We do these account giveaways at least 4 times a week. I try to give back to as much as I can. If you enjoy this and you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. That's what allows us to do this. I am going to start off with the people in the morning stream, and then the winner of the morning stream will play the winner in the afternoon stream. And then the winner will get a Take Profit Trader account, a 25K one. I've been spreading my long story short, I got to spread my recap videos because YouTube doesn't always show them if I put out a video at night. So I've been putting some recaps on here. So just throwing it out there if anybody was wondering why some recaps are not being shown. All right. Let me set this up. Let's get this party going. Yo, I don't know what the deal is, but my copy and paste button has been kind of whack. All right. If you're on the morning stream, you have good odds because there's only 35 ducks. All right, and then we're going to run the afternoon stream. I just shut down my Ninja Trader. So don't leave after this because you guys got the afternoon guys are racing after. Just letting you know. Oh. Yo, how'd you end up doing today, Luke? End up? Ant, did you hear? It's 4:24. You got 2 minutes. Are you here? 4:24, 4:26. We rerun this. Up on 2, red on 2. All right. Dude, today's a rough day, man. If he's not here by 4:26, I hit this button again. Oh, he's here. All right. Now we're going to do the afternoon guys. Oh, let's do the afternoon guys now. Boom, 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 boom. Anybody have questions on here? Questions? Now's the time to ask. Just throwing it out there. Now is definitely the time to ask. You would be in right now. Hold on. Before I run this, I'm looking. Dude, why are you not in here all the time, man? Yo, tomorrow, when we do an account giveaway, Trader Y, remind me. I want to see you put it in. I want to see you put it in the chat, and let's see what happens. What's the computer setup you run? The computer setup? I have a Dell business computer. I have a 64 gig RAM Dell business computer. Weird. Okay, I did it when I joined Friday and today. Thumbs up. Yo, I added it manually, but you're in there somewhere, man. I have no idea where you are. There's like 90 ducks. You're in there. You want to see him, dude? Flip. I said it out loud and I thought about it instantly, and I was like, motherfucker, someone's gonna say something. I knew that was coming. Why can't I get into the race? Road to success. I don't know. Did you put the code in? My RAM is 64 RAM. How am I going to upgrade? What up? Yo, David, it's 4:27. Are you here before we rerun it? Road to success. It's all off of a point system. So I don't know if you come in and don't stay a lot. If you don't stay on the stream, Streamlabs doesn't give a point to you, which means the duck race is 10 points, which only means you got to be on the stream for like 20 minutes or 15 minutes, something like that. So every 15 minutes you're on the stream, you get entry to the duck race. So if you're not on for like 15 minutes, you it won't give you enough points. Yeah, so that's why, because you're not really on the stream. It's to kind of stop people from creating like 30 fucking accounts and doing that. We had an issue like that. People were creating multiple accounts and just coming on. Oh, David, you're here, right? Okay, hold on. So what happens is, how it works is, to stop people from creating multiple accounts, you have to be on the stream for like 20 minutes or 15 minutes to give an entry. So if you only have 8 points, that means, maybe you only pop on for like 4 minutes to put the code in and leave, and then Streamlabs that's, you're kind of getting caught in that aspect of it. But I have to leave that on. Otherwise, people make multiple names. We get like, all of a sudden there's like 150 people that submitted, and there's, 80 people in here. Can't have that. All right. You ready? All right. So this is Enchanted and David. You guys ready? Let's see who's gonna win. Yeah, I don't do it. Road to Success, I don't do it. It's automated by Streamlabs. I don't add any. Like, I'm not doing it at all. It's all Streamlabs. I don't add or do anything. Damn. Yo, ride it, David. Go, David. David, bounce on that thing. Yo. David about to take it. No, Enchanted. Look, dude. Dude, that was... You guys wanted that race. That's the only reason I keep running it. You guys asked for it. Yeah, BK. I could definitely go over it. Yo, he had diamond butt. All right. So this is how you work it, BK. There's bearish imbalances and bullish imbalances. So the idea... Oh, I appreciate it, Cats. Enchanted, send me an email. I definitely appreciate it, Cats. It will go towards more accounts being given out to people. All right, so this is how you use this. Basically, the idea is, like, this is a bullish one. It's created down here, and the idea is that you're going to come back and retest this area and bounce. The bearish ones, like this, the idea is you sell off and that you're going to retest this area and then come back and sell off. Diddy Fading King. I do not blow PA accounts on purpose. But yeah, the idea of I'm going to be adding this on all my charts, by the way. It's kind of like a fair value gap, to be honest with you. I bet you if I pulled up fair value gaps, they're probably somewhere around the same thing. But that's the idea, is that it comes back, it retests, and I believe so. I haven't overlaid it, Code, but I'm going to say I used it. It's like 4 for 4 today. I used it here on the bounce, which it hit. I used it right here on this bounce and it hit. I thought I used it a couple other times, maybe on another account. But yeah, it's definitely good. Definitely good. I'm gonna have it. Yeah, I didn't look into it. He told me to throw it on the chart. I threw it on the chart. It's obviously working. Now that I know it's like working, I'll look in to see what it is. He told me 60% of the time it works every time. It's called volume imbalance. Yeah. Volume imbalance. It works. I'll be using it. I can tell you that. Now my big thing is I got to see. I got to now see. My big thing is I got to request a payout, and I got to see what happened here. I thought I was over the limit. I thought I was going to be taking a payout today. This frustrates me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I take a payout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I take another payout. 1, 2, 3. I guess that's only day 3. So basically, the volume imbalance is this. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. It's like the gap. It's like a fair value gap where like you move past it and it comes back and refills it. Here, let's look. You can read about it. Hold on. Also known as candle gaps. Detect gaps between consecutive candles of the same color. This is placed as a horizontal line marking the imbalance until the price returns to fill the void. Yeah, so you're just looking for it to fill the void. Actually, I don't even have it on this chart, so I'm going to add it right here. And I'll add it. I'll have it on Apex also. I skipped second Friday. Hold on 1 second. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 payout. I need $200, so this doesn't count. 24 bucks doesn't count. So then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got a payout, and then I got 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I thought I was getting a fucking payout today. That sucks. I'm requesting a payout with Apex today for 500. Cat's amazing. Let's see. I did your 349 candle break to the downside, got approximately 15 points of profit, but did not close all contracts. It needed to hit a TP a second time. I do not. Anytime you play news or any of that type of stuff, cats, you're kind of playing with fire. Black Beauty Machine. He gets botted all the time. By the way, tomorrow I'm going to be on Top Step TV. Do you have to trade your account after you request a payout? No. So basically I'll request a payout and then I don't touch it until they take the money out of the account, which is usually like a day. $12:15 Eastern time. So I'm going to stream in the morning, and when I get off the stream, I'll probably just grab a snack and I'll be right on at 12:15. There's going to be a special. We're going to have fun tomorrow. That's weird, cats. It closed 2 and not all 5. No, once you request a payout, I don't trade shit. I don't trade anything until you take my money out, BK. I won't trade anything until they take my money out. I don't care if it's Apex, Top Step, Take Profit Trader. I'm not touching shit until they pull my money out. That I could tell you. There's no reason to do it. Oh yeah. You just remember, if it doesn't sell you out, that's on you, because sometimes Tradeovate fucks around. But yeah, you could definitely trade. You could do whatever you want and take profit. That's why I tell everybody Take Profit Trader is amazing, because there's no rules. No rules. Oh, geez. If I were to do it in Take Profit Trader, I would probably do it on that as in my account. Like that would be the lead account, would be my Take Profit Trader Pro account. Just like today, when I did it in this funded account. This funded account was the lead account. So I got $200 in this funded account, and then all the other ones went for bigger money. This is a Tradeify account. I got $200, so I'm just going to keep working that up. Thanks, Rayu. Oh, man. Working on 2 accounts for the secret candle trade. Yeah, so what I did was this account and this account is the secret candle trade, along with I already shut my Ninja off, along with 2 Top Step accounts. So 2 Top Step accounts, these 2 Tradeify accounts, and then I plugged in this account for the candle. And yeah, my goal is to only use these accounts for that trade, and see how far I could take it with only doing that trade. No other trade. Just every day I do that trade and that's it. You know, Cove dropping knowledge. Hey, this is what aftermarket's about, asking questions. You know, you guys got my full attention. The chat's not flying. I got no trades going on. But yeah, I wanted to see how far I could take it. So this is what I'm doing. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm going to try passing some of those. This. No, I just set up the copy trader in NinjaTrader, and then I trade on here. Because when you trade on here, it copies through NinjaTrader. Yo, later, Code. I'll see you tomorrow. But I'll let you know. I'm just going to keep doing that trade. Actually, tomorrow I might trade this account and some of the other Top Step accounts just to get them over, just to get them to be funded. Yeah, I don't trade on NinjaTrader at all. I don't. Yeah, so I set up my NinjaTrader copy trader, and then I just trade on Tradeovate, and it automatically copies through Top Step, Take Profit Trader. So basically, I trade on this Tradeovate account, and it copies through all the other accounts on other prop firms. That's how I like it. That's how I roll. How do I set up a TP and stop loss on Tradeovate? Right here. Ticks, take profit, look. And then I just put it in, just like that. Now, once I get filled right here, this will become my stop loss, and this is my take profit. JM Hardy, I sound like an HVAC technician. I am most definitely not an HVAC technician, and there's nothing wrong with an HVAC technician. The minimum amount I do on HVAC is change the filter or change the breaker outside. Tradeovate free to use? Yeah, it comes with the prop firm. Tradeovate is free. Like this platform I'm on is free. This is Tradeovate. This is all free when you get a prop firm. Yes, BK. I trade one account on Tradeovate and it copies through to the others. All right, guys. I have dad life to do. I got to go coach my kids baseball. So I appreciate you guys. I will see you tomorrow at 10:30. If you're not on the morning stream, I will see you again at 2 p.m. We'll do an account giveaway tomorrow. If you have questions or comments, comment on a video. I get right back to you. Other than that, I hope you guys made money. And if you have any other questions, you can also pop it in the Discord as well. All right. See you guys later. Peace.